In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a user group in Odoo. We'll go through the full process of setting up a new group, adding users and configuring the permissions and access rules that group will use. This is useful when you want to organize users by role and make sure they only see and do what they need inside the system. To begin, open the Settings app in Odoo. This is where the system-wide configuration options are managed, including security and user access. Once you're in Settings, go to Users and Companies and then open Groups. This area contains all existing user groups and allows you to create new ones for different teams, responsibilities, or access levels. Next, click New to start creating a group. This opens a blank group form where you can define the details and permissions for the new access role. In the Group Name field, enter the name of the group. Choose a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to identify later. If needed, you can also add a description to explain the purpose of the group, especially if multiple administrators work in the database. After that, open the Users tab. Click Add a Line, then select the users you want to include in this group. This connects the group to the people who should receive its permissions. It's a good idea to double-check your selections here, so the right users are assigned from the start. Then move to the Dependencies tab. Here, you can configure implied groups, implying groups, or disjoint groups if needed. This part is important when your new group should automatically inherit permissions from another group, or when you want to control how it interacts with other access roles. Next, open the Access Rights tab, click Add a Line, choose the appropriate model, and then configure the Create, Read, Update, and Delete permissions. These settings determine exactly what members of the group can do with specific records. Be careful here, because even a small permission change can have a big effect on what users can access or modify. After that, go to the Menus tab and click Add a Line to define which menus the group can access. This helps control what users actually see in the interface, which keeps the workspace cleaner and more relevant for their role. Then open the Views tab. Click Add a Line to assign specific views to the group if needed. This is helpful when certain forms, lists, or layouts should only be available to particular users. Next, open the Settings tab to configure the group's scope and any other available settings if needed. Review these options carefully so the group behaves exactly as intended. Finally, click the Save icon to create the user group. Once saved, the group is active and ready to use in your Odoo environment.